Fifth grade Shurley method, page 19, part 2. Okay, so put a slash to separate each run-on sentence below. Then correct the run-on sentence by rewriting them as indicated by the label in parentheses at the end of each sentence. So the lifeguard jumped down, he dashed into the water. So where's our backslash? Between down and he. So it says that they want a sentence with a compound verb. Okay, so you're gonna write your sentence underneath. I'm gonna write mine over here so I have a little bit more room. So number 4, the lifeguard. So what's my sentence gonna be, guys? The lifeguard jumped down and dashed into the water. Okay, so the lifeguard jumped down and remember to spell and dash into the water. Okay, don't forget capitalization, punctuation, right? Remember, you're writing your sentences underneath that sentence. So you're writing it right here, correct? Okay, I have this big pen, so I can't write it down there. So you need to be writing it there. So number 5, the lifeguard jumped down. He dashed into the water. Between dash and down, or he and down, right? Okay. This time they want a compound sentence. So what do we put in place of the slash? Semicolon, right? Okay. So the lifeguard jumped down, semicolon, he dashed into the water. Okay. Number 6, the lifeguard jumped down, he dashed into the water. So where does our backslash go? Between down and he, right? And then they want 2 simple sentences, right? So what are we going to put in place of that backslash? A period, right? So the lifeguard jumped down and put a period. He dashed, and yes, you capitalized he dashed into the water. Okay. Now, you guys are going to do 7 and 8 on your own. Okay. Now for 7, you're going to figure out where you put your backslash, which is the same as the one we've been doing, right? And you're going to replace the backslash with what? A comma and and. Okay. Number 8, Jake and Blake are lifeguards. I am a lifeguard. So they want sentence with at least, or with compound subject. In this case, do we have more than 2? Yes. So what are you going to set those apart with? Commas, right? Okay. And then you're going to have to get rid of part of the sentence, right? Okay. All right. Exercise 4. So they want you to identify a sentence, a fragment, a sentence with a compound subject, a sentence with a compound verb, or a compound sentence. The sound of tinkling wind chimes in the backyard. Okay. We're right here, right? We're not doing 7 and 8. We're doing this down here together, correct? Yes. Okay. So the sound of tinkling wind chimes in the backyard. Okay, so what is 9? A fragment, right? Okay. The children played checkers and drank soda. So we have the word and, right? But it does not have any punctuation with it, like a semicolon or a comma, right? Okay. So it is connecting what? Played and drink. So sentence with a compound verb. Okay. The windows and doors of our house are locked. So once again, we have and then there is no punctuation around it, right? So a semicolon or a comma. So what is it connecting? Windows and doors, right? So that is a sentence with a compound subject. So number 12, I want to go to the game. Unfortunately, I have to work. So we have the semicolon, right? Okay. And then we have unfortunately also with it, okay, with the comma. So what kind of sentence is that? CD, right? So compound sentence. Basically, it's a compound sentence because could those two things stand apart and be two separate sentences? Yes. Okay. All right, you guys are going to do 13 and 14 for homework. And then, like I said up here, 7 and 8 for homework. Okay. Let's do number 5. So use the ways listed below to correct this run-on sentence. You can walk, you can ride a bike. So where does our backslash go? Between walk and you, right? Okay. This time they want a CD sentence, so a compound sentence, right? And then they want you to put the comma with the or, correct? Okay. So that's what we're gonna put in our backslash. So you can walk, comma, or you can ride a bike. Okay. And then number 16, they want a sentence with a compound verb. So we're going to replace the backslash with and, right? So you can walk. And what? Ride a bike, correct? And in this case, would you be able to be walking and riding the bike at the same time? No. So we need to not put and, we need to put or. Or ride a bike. Then we will mark off exercise 6.